I'm Grayse and I'm a production assistant here at Australia Bioseparations. I heard about Australia Bioseparations through word of mouth, so I always sort of knew it was here, but actually applied for the job in the March, so a few months before I graduated, just out of interest to see if there was anything going so I could sort of seamlessly move from education into employment. I found that was something that was really seamless, and it just allowed me a couple of weeks after finishing my final exam, I was in work. So we manufacture products that help purify next generation biologics, such as vaccines and drugs that help benefit the lives of others by purifying them.
Grayse is great. Grayse is she's a very enthusiastic person. She's really fitted well into the team. The way she interacts with people, she brings that top-notch logical scientific approach to issues, to addressing things and helping solve problems. And we have seen some leadership skills as well, and everyone is really happy to have her in the team. She has really been a good addition.
The course that I wanted was offered on Ireland, and it allowed me to stay at home and save the hassle of moving off Ireland, and then also look into employment options whilst still here. And I wasn't concerned with the fear of moving there, moving back, bringing all my stuff over, bringing it back and stuff like that.
We mainly look out for graduates with some scientific background or experience. We are open to recruiting both graduates and non-graduates, and what we look out for in terms of skills is that logical approach to things, that scientific way of thinking, and just a great team player. And it's very important in terms of the people's skills and the way people integrate into the team. That's a big part of what we look out for when we are looking for employees.
Day to day varies for me. It can range from anything from the upkeep of important documentation and paperwork to manufacturing side of the labs, mainly working on the resin side, but I also do have the opportunity to do some QC testing and trial batches that help us develop new products and improve products that we already make on site.
Having UCM on the island, I think we've tried to establish a program that will help us to get more graduates like Grayse who can really come into our organization and make a difference. I think we are focusing on local recruitment, and UCM kind of developing and growing people like Grayse that can come in here locally is been an advantage for us. A few years ago, we wouldn't think we'll find someone like Grayse on the island. Having gone through what she went through at the college with a science background, that is really helpful for us for local recruitment.
I certainly would recommend it for a degree, just because we're such a small cohort, access to tutors and everything was a lot easier. Like my friends that studied across, they said there was like cohorts of like hundreds of them. Being a group of 8 certainly made life a lot easier. It's certainly more personal.